people, welcome to the Catlady calendar day 20. Today we are doing an unconventional makeup. What are we doing today? So today I decided to challenge myself and do an eye look using only this palette right here. This is the Age of Opulence and this is from Beauty Bay. And the reason that I turned this into a challenge is because I actually wanted to film another video. I think that you have already seen that, but I completely failed to use this palette only. So literally I used one color and then I went to other palettes and used other colors. So today I decided to devote this video to this one. And who knows, maybe I fail again. So if you're curious to see what's gonna happen and especially what look is it gonna be, because this palette has a lot of dark colors, so I decided to go a little bit darker today. If you're curious, just keep watching and let's start! As always, I started by priming my eyes with this one right here. This is from Urban Decay, the primer potion. And now I'm grabbing this eye pencil. This is from NYX Professional Makeup, Faux Blacks. And this specific one is the Midnight. So I'm gonna form a basic shape that I'm gonna follow on my eyes. And then I'm gonna explain you what's gonna happen. I fixed my shape a little bit here, and now I'm going with this tiny flat brush from Morphe M158, and I'm gonna take this very dark blue shadow right here, which is called Serve You, if I'm saying it correctly, and I will just go and tap a little bit the S shape that I have created on my eyes. So let's do it. This makeup is kinda unique in its own sense because it requires accuracy only at one side. So, at this side right here, I don't care if it's gonna be a little bit more blue, a little bit worse shade, because I'm gonna blend it with a lighter shade of blue and then some purple, and then you will see. But on this side, I want to be as precise as possible. So I have my wet wipe here and I'm just cleaning all the time if I do any mistakes or something. So yeah, this side, which is kinda not very straight and everything, I don't care. This side though, I cleaned it. And after I said that, I'm going with a different brush, this one right here. It's pointy, but it's not as flat as the previous one. And I'm going to the shade Lavish, the dark blue right here, oops, sorry. So with this shade, I'm gonna go inside and blend of course with the darker one. So let's see. Again, I'm changing my brush to something fluffier, and this is again from Morphe. And now I'm gonna add some purplish shade. So I'm going with Velvet right here. And I will just follow what I did before, but a little bit more blended, a little bit less tap move. So you will see. I'm gonna take the same type of brush and I will go into Dandy right here. Oops, I touched the mirror with my fingers. Anyway, this is even lighter and I still gonna blend out things. The one thing that I try not to do is not to thicken too much the edges here, because I want them to be sharp and pointy. So I try to avoid going back there. The basic shape is done, and now I'm gonna talk to you about some details. First of all, this look requires a lot of blending, like literally I'm more than half an hour and I'm just blending. Secondly, I used more than one clean brushes for blending, because the first one kinda got dirty, so it smudged everything together, and I really didn't like it because I don't want to have shadow until the very end of my inner corner, because if I do so then I would look tired and I don't like this. So that was one thing. Another thing was that here, if you can see, my eyelid start being very greasy, so the blue transferred a little bit inside. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna set my whole lid, hopefully, thankfully this palette has this shade right here, which is called RSVP, and I'm gonna set the naked lid with this to make sure that it's not gonna be transferred inside there, because this is a very precise shape, so I don't wanna have, you know, smudges and stuff like that. Also, I'm thinking how to end this look, and smudges are not really helping me. Beyond that, I was thinking to use some shimmer or stuff like that, but first of all I want to make sure that my lid is completely dry before I use any type of shimmer, and when I do, then we will see, because you know I cannot resist to any type of shimmer. So I'm gonna take a brush like this one. This is Morphe X Jaclyn Hill, and I'm gonna take the shadow that I told you, and I will just set my eyelid. This is perfect because it doesn't change the color, so we keep it. Now I'm gonna add the shade Crush right here, which is a pinkish, yellowish, I would say gold rose, but I'm not sure because I haven't tried it, so I don't know the shift. Let's say that it's a very nice gold rose, and I'm gonna take a brush that I cannot find right now, like this one, and I'm gonna put a tiny amount of glitter glue to make sure that it will be where it should be. Tiny amount, just to put it inside my inner corner and under the eyebrow area. And I'm gonna put the glue with this brush, because I don't want to waste the other brush, because my brushes are dirty. I have around 50 something dirty brushes and I don't really have time to wash them, so I'm gonna try to avoid to be without brushes. Did I tell you which glue am I using? This is Pro FX from Paint Glow, and it's a very nice glue. I'm super happy with it. Okay, time to find out what's the shift of Crush. I'm putting my brush and I'm taking an amount. I feel that now that I have the glue, I don't need to make my brush wet. Oh yeah! I would like to add some extra details, that's why I'm taking my eyelash glue. This is Duo, and I have bought the pack with the black and white glue. So with the white glue, I'm doing 3 dots right here, like 1, 2, 3, and the same to the other eye as well. One last step before I leave you to start doing my face off camera is that I'm gonna use this eyeliner. This is from Beauty Bay. This is a gift from my friend Aphrodite. Thank you, Aphrodite. Hello. And it's called Vanilla. It's a very nice beige. Did I destroy it? No. It's here. It's fine and it's here. So I'm gonna put that into my waterline to make sure that I will have a lighter waterline color than what I have right now. I don't know how I will... Oh, I found a way to put my mirror. Okay, I found a way to put my mirror, so I'm gonna do it on camera. Oh, wish me luck, people. I don't want to destroy this palette. Anyway. My face is pretty much ready. I mean, I have primed with the marshmallow primer from NYX, and then as always I have used the Bear With Me, which is surprisingly a lot product inside there, because I thought that it would about to finish, but apparently not. So that makes me extra happy. Now it's blush time, and today I'm gonna use a tiny brush because I don't really want to blend with the rest that I have done to my eyes. And I'm gonna use from the Balm, the Frat Boy, and I will just a tiny little bit touch my cheeks to make them a little bit more alive. Today I'm planning to use two types of highlighters. This one right here as a liquid first one. This is from Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. To be honest, it is easy and it's nice. So I'm taking an amount here and I'm just tap on my face. Great. I'm doing the same at the other cheek. And of course, this will followed by a lot of blending. For bronzing, I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is Coffee from Evelina Forsell palette, War Paint. And I'm taking this brush, which is not the biggest one that I have, but I want to be kinda specific today, because this takes a lot of space on my face, so I don't wanna do huge moves. With a big brush like this, I'm applying my powder from Kosas Cosmetics. This is Breezy Cloud Set. As always, I cannot open it. Oh my god, big nails are great, but really make my life very difficult. Yeah, I have it. So, I'm putting the powder all over my face, like that. I'm gonna finish my face with a highlighter that I have made long time ago, my own highlighter. This is it, and I will have the video here. I don't know where editor wants the video to be anyway. And this is a very nice and versatile highlighter because it contains both warm and cold tones, and I feel that it complements every makeup look. I'm looking for a brush. I found one, this. So I'm taking an amount. This is a random container, by the way. Of course, it doesn't have a container. The future, I'm planning to press it at some point. I have shown you the technique. If not, write down in the comments, and then I can do a video dedicated to how to fix eyeshadows, how to press like loose stuff like highlighters or whatever you have anyway. But this is kind of irrelevant right now, so I'm focusing on applying that highlighter. Yay! Oh my god, that glow, that glow. I love it. I love it. Like, it was just an experiment, but it went out so good. That's the glow that we deserve, people. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Our palette is called Age of Opulence, right here, that's the name. So I decided for today to give you the word opulence. So in Greek we say Plutos. Plutos. Say with me, Plutos. So try to write a comment down below using this word, or actually you can use a combination of the word that I have taught you during Vlogmas, and try to be creative and write a unique comment, people. I would be very happy to provide your comments at one of my next videos, so be creative! Last but not least, I wanna fix my lips, so for this purpose I'm gonna use two products. This right here, it's a suede lipstick from NYX Professional Makeup in the shade Around the World, and I feel that it's very much matching with my eyes, so why not? Let's see what we will have. Next, again from NYX, I'm gonna use the Sleep Tease in the shade Feisty, if I'm saying it correctly. I don't know this word. So I'm expecting it to be a little bit more glossy and darker. Let's see what we will have. And that's it for today. This is my final look. I hope that you enjoyed the more editorial / unconventional look, and actually if you want to recreate it, I would really love to see your creations. You know where you can find me and send me your creations? At Instagram. So you will find my Instagram around there. It's Catlady Antigoni, and I'm waiting for your messages, either recreations or video ideas or comments in general, whatever you want, people. Also, you can subscribe to this channel for more makeup content and lifestyle content and Q&As. Who knows? You can like this video to show me that you are not here only for the traditional makeup looks and you enjoy this style, which is basically my style because I don't really want to do the same things all the time. And you can write a comment down below, either using the Greek word of the day or whatever you want. So, see you tomorrow. Yeah, it's still Vlogmas, and in my mind it's so confusing because to me, I'm not used to say see you tomorrow, although that I really enjoy the whole process of Vlogmas. So, see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye!